Guys, I'm Suraj back with another video, and this time it's on Tayo's micro pellets. Please, I recommend you this food. Please, you give this food to your molly fries, guppy fries, and even platies, swattail, cohucos, even angelfish. They are small mouth fish, even in tetras, cardinal tetras, neon tetras. Please give them the small food. If you are keeping them in a community tank, you can give this, but don't you should make sure that the other fish do not like beat us. If you keep in a community tank, do not eat this food. And at last, the guppies, mollies, like fry small baby fish like chili rasboras, killifish, don't get the food, and at last they will try for food, they will fight and they will die at last. So I recommend you this food, but please make sure they all the fish eat properly, and don't overfeed them. Overfeed If you overfeed them, this will lead to increase in ammonia and leading to the ultimate death of fish. So give them a proper balanced food. Like you can give them food, even you can give live foods. If you don't have live foods, you can give tayos, frozen dry worms, blood worms. Yeah, you can give them, or else you can give fruits, even vegetables. You can give like lettuce. You can boil them and give. So I recommend you this micro pellets tayo. It's good, really good. It comes for 70 rupees. I'm around using this around for 3 months, 2 to 3. Yeah, it can be approximately 2 to 3 months. It's really good, highly nutritious, only for small mouth tropical fish. And don't overfeed them. Just give them amount of food, like 5 minutes. They can eat around 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That's all I can say. Bye for now. I'll make another video next time. Bye bye.